Yeah, we all know that video. It's the first video what I uploaded at YouTube. It's already 2 weeks ago. There you can see how the boat looked like when I started the YouTube channel. Already taken apart. There the decision wasn't made yet to restore or to rebuild the boat. But when you see these pictures now, you see that the decision is done. We will rebuild the boat. So in this video I will show you how we built the frames, the new frames of the boat. And so let's stop talking, let's do something. Our assembly is guarding the frames. So here we are, we have the frames, only 2 frames. The front one, what's left of it, and the back one. Okay, it's not the back one, the back one is the transom. It's the one that came after the transom. So the whole boat is kept together with 2 frames. That has to change. That doesn't go like this. So, as you could see, the little boat had just 2 frames plus the transom. So for me it's a little bit too less. So I decided to put more frames in the boat to make it more strong. More strong means that it will be heavier. What that does to the boat, I don't know. I hope nothing bad. There must be a reason that they built it so lightweight and so fragile. Maybe they did it because it was just a riverboat. It didn't have to fight against waves and strong wind. It was just a weekend boat and a vacation boat. That's the way how they build it. I never saw a boat like this one, really lightweight built and convertible. You could open the roof, you could make it higher, and you could flip it open. So when you wanted to cook, you just put the roof high. If you wanted to sleep and see the stars, you just flapped it open. If you just wanted to have an open boat, you just left the roof at home. So it was a perfect thing. But why did they build it so fragile? Does it have to do something with the handling of the boat? That it doesn't go so deep in the water because of shallow water? I have no idea. Maybe you out there know why you would build a boat like this, so fragile. Here you can see what I reached yesterday. The whole day working, and the only thing what I could finish is that frame. Later on, at the end of the video, I will show you why I had such problems to work with that wood. But at least this one is done, and I solved the problems that I still want to tell you. And today the progress will be much better. So let's stop talking, let's work. have the result. It looks like that it's... we cannot see anything yet. I have to clean it up, that's the next step, and then we will see how good it's joined together. Good, here we have the first results. Here, seam number 1. Yeah, it looks not perfect yet because I let this one here still oversized because I didn't know if I really am in the center. And yes, I am. Here too. Here's the seam. Looks good for me. Another seam. And the last one. that was it for today. We are coming to an end. Everything went perfect. I came there where I wanted to come, and now I still wanted to tell you what I said in the video already, why I had to struggle so much with that wood yesterday. It looks like that I didn't have enough patience. Here I show you that's not only one blade that I destroyed yesterday. It went good. At the beginning it starts to bite through the wood, and after a while you have to push more, because it just stucks, it doesn't move, and then you push too hard and then it breaks. That's what happened a few times, and I didn't like that at all. But I realize now, when you have a little bit more patience and you let the machine run and not push so hard, then it bites itself through, and then it goes easy. That's what I realized today. I didn't have any damage and I reached my target. So that wood, why is so special? In the internet they say, where do I have it? Wait a moment. I could read in the internet that the characteristics of this wood is very, very hard, exceptional rot resistance, and still flexible or elastic, and it has a high density. They use it too for acoustic bodies, acoustic sticks, for example, sticks for xylophones, and they say too that it's very easy to work with. Well, I couldn't experience yet. In a Brinell list, Padauk has a number 4.4, red oak 3.8 and pine 1.6. That says, for example, that this is very hard wood. So that's done. I told you that. Yeah. So now let's stop working. Let's cook something. I still have to glue these frames together, and then enjoy the Sunday evening. I still try to load up that video. Maybe I manage it today. If not, you can watch it another day. I hope you had fun, and we will see you soon. Bye.